In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to YouTube Premium Family. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your payment so you can share ad-free YouTube, background play, and downloads with your household. Start by opening YouTube. You can go to youtube.com in any web browser or launch the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, and if you're using the app, it helps to have the latest version so all the subscription options appear correctly. Next, sign in with your Google account. Look at the profile picture in the top right corner. If it's not the account you want to use for your family plan, switch to the correct one now. The plan will be tied to the account you're signed into, so double-check this before moving on. Now go to the memberships page. The fastest way is to type youtube.com paid memberships into your browser's address bar. If you're in the app, you can also open your profile and go to purchases and memberships to reach the same place. This page shows your current status and the available plans. Find YouTube Premium on that page. You'll see a section describing Premium's features, including the family option. Take a moment to review what's included so you're choosing the plan that fits your needs. Select the family plan by clicking Get Family Plan. This is the option that lets you share the benefits with your household under one monthly subscription. Pricing and availability can vary by region, and you may see a trial offer if one is available to you. When the plan details open, choose Upgrade or Buy. If you already have an individual premium subscription on this account, you'll see an Upgrade button that moves you to the family plan. If you don't have premium yet, you'll see Buy instead. Confirm that you're selecting the family plan before proceeding. Finally, confirm your payment. Choose an existing payment method or add a new one, then review the billing details and submit. Make sure your billing information is accurate to avoid any delays. After payment, you should see a confirmation on screen, and you'll receive an email receipt at the address linked to your Google account. That's it. You've upgraded to YouTube Premium Family. You can return to youtube.com paid memberships anytime to view your plan, manage settings, or check your billing. Enjoy ad-free videos, background play, and offline downloads across devices shared with your household under one plan.